Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. Wagon, bless up first and foremost. I'll pull on there with the latest updates and mix up and mix downs at JA. So subscribe if for your first time over your son. And yeah, we are gonna talk about what the description of the video say. We are gonna kick it off like this, you see me? Expert father drop out, you see me? And wanna know how that go. You see it losing a loved one or a person the way you used to. It kinda different end of the day, is it? So RIP to expert father, come see. Enough people now repost or inform people.
Haters vex, can me bless, boss me no stress. Boy me nah no man.
Yeah man people, Moyann and Shenseea collaboration. The song is called No Limit. You see me? And this is Moyann first collaboration with Shenseea herself, you see me? So I like the song, you see me? I like the whole vibes, the concept in it, you see it, let's stress that little something there, you see me, for the girls then. Yeah man, but besides that, I don't know why this never dropped on National Women's Day, but who knows? You see, make us see how it perform. But besides that, you don't know the vibes. If you still a watch, you see in other section, yeah, you don't know the live always active. So see what going on.
Dawg by 2 NSC and the Dawg by 2 champagne and the Dawg a champagne again.
I mean.
You see me?
Yeah, me.
Yeah, Dawg.
Don't support me come for support you here. I never come to beg out your dance. Support me come for support you, you know.
So me just say that, Michael. Most girls love me so. Them kids, them up me so.
Brother, look at me look like on TV. Brother, in a real life, the girl, they see me, they say, bumbo clock. A coconut drops this. You see me, brother, but remember they say me ugly enough on the internet, you know, but one time they see me, the girl, they fall like rain. You see me, I deal with my boy. Hot boss. You see me, I deal with boy, put them boy in the clocks.
Yeah, man.
What do you do?
I'm ready to ding dong just come close the show.
Oh, you mean kick it over?
Kick it over. Yeah, ding dong never tell me say my forward, you know.
Brother,
he never tell me say my forward. Can you tell me say, yo, India sitting there. Can you hear what go on? Ding dong, me tell him to post the flyers, you know. Yeah, ding dong. Him can't post the flyers. So me say, all right then. Because me never know say my forward over here. You see me? Like he might try to tell me. But me kind of pick up a rake still. Come here and say, let's see if the dog did I do so. The dog would have posted flyers, but the dog give me a vibe saying, nah, post it.
The man has brother now support you. We not have to tell you so we are come here.
Nah man, but me rate that and conscience did the same way. Kemar Icon same way.
Yeah,
you know what I mean? The long tongue girl same way.
Yeah. She buy no backlash, she beg it. Tell me.
No, me not lie.
She beg? She buy? How much backlingo?
2.
I may broke me, I got 3 backline up here for 4 people come in. Oh, me do that? I'm so broke. Come on, hero. At $1,200 me spend on your dance. No joke. Hero, you don't see the rate me. When me looking at your face, I'm saying the rate me with your sister. Me can support my brother. I look at the girl at the gate and she said, then when you pay for come, me say me a support hero. Hero is my brother. Me not gonna pay for dance. You know that. You ever see me a dancer? Me not gonna dance. But me can spend $1,200 with you because I'm a brother. I'm worth it. It is worth it.
Pretty punkin them buy too.
I lie.
Yeah man, them buy Wull Palika.
Will you?
Yeah. You know what's the big man thing? Me say Pretty Punkin them and they never ask me for ban. They never ask me. No. Real talk, me I tell her Pretty Punkin Monday. And me have to say, yo, what I do? Me not see Miss Williams none at all when she enter. So me don't know how Miss Williams get in her party.
And them support them like. Me like them support.
Miss Williams, me just hear some Miss Williams there. I know some Miss Williams in her party. She know say hero me there get Abato.
No.
Abato.
Yeah, right.
You understand?
Right.
Abato. Me don't even know when Portia them reach in her party.
That means
welcome to the party.
I support that name. That name support. We not beg.
African reach our gate. I don't know saying in name their gate. Yeah.
But hero, what my name did there?
Eh?
What my name did there?
What you you need? What you mean? What your name I go do that for? My sister I get know you.
Yeah, but you know me. But you know me I go pay for coming.
My sister I get know you.
Support. Come on.
My sister I get Pretti Don.
Yeah, brother.
What a party nice.
Sweet your fuck, dog.
Dog a girl write me on Instagram and say, why you never born 7 day euro out a week? Yeah, you have my time night, sorry. Yo, the girl said, why me can never born 7 day out a week? Euro, what a brunch nice. Pretti on the brunch nice, see?
You sweet your fuck. Yes, brother, from going to me a party a fuck.
Brother, me say party nice.
Swell up. But me feel like I sweet this party that. Out of 3, I sweet this one that.
My friend them say brunch, my friend them say Saturday night bad. Yo, you say illusion. Yo, Pretti Don you say Saturday night.
Right.
Illusion stop the music but 2 buckle at minute and the whole place a beat down. Bugga. That's when the man them drop. The plane just land with the coke.
Brother, when time that tune that drop, all if you make money up the more.
Me think I want, yo, that's it. Saturday night, illusion take it. Lava, take Sunday night.
Brother, lava bring me going a 3 segment in a quick time to blood clot. Me I wonder how the man do it. The man have me a voice to talk with Camille Wull blood. Me just over here so. Brother, me never know say me could have voice till blood clot lava play that. Me a voice your fuck.
Brother, brunch nice dog. Me I tell him enjoy brunch dog. I swear dog.
Great man. Yo, you see how me and my brother, yo. Me have a whole heap of people me having a party. Here, I'm telling them come support you and a joke with you. You see me at you? Some boys say them a support you and a beg be a pass, you know. And a beg be a liquor, you know. And them think them here talk about, I say them a support you, you know. Them a support, bring down your pocket, you know. That them a do, you know. You see me at you? Some boy now can support you, yo. Some man a beg be a pass and a beg be a liquor and a ask for discount. And that's not right. That's not right. Talk about that, because you don't want to talk about it. Talk about that, the boy them want to bring down your blood clot pocket hero. Talk about it. The man them want beg pass. Because look for girl. Yeah man, you're silent. The one of them are your friend.
Talk about it. Why you not talk about it?
You're a friend them because you don't want blood clot. Because you're going to say, I don't miss it. I Pretti Don said, I don't for them to bring down your bumbo clot pocket. I beg pass and I beg blood clot discount for liquor in a blood clot bar. As I reach, I get your phone and stop ring the whole night. You know like
Yo. African road runners. Who else? The dog them from out of town and couple of strange dog play full price Pretti Don, me not gonna lie. But I'm a dog, I'm a general from out of Texas. I'm a general over here. We take me up half a floor and put me in a blood clot house and big yard and make me have what me have today. My general forward, and me say my general 150 for my wet. Pretti Don and the dog say, when I'm in office, I pay 250, 300. I'm gonna pay 300 a bottle. Pretti Don, them ball on my price. I'm not like you.
Yes, man. Not for them, boy. Yeah. The people ever out of town now, ball it up. Them are complete and support. Them don't want to pay it, boy. Them not even want to pay $40 for come in and dance. When it worth it. Hero, you know, see, you need to have your birthday every month, brother.
You know, me have something I plan for job. In July, man.
Right.
In July when the summer out and the hot, Pretti Don. I'm have 5 water truck. Pretti Don, listen. Pretti Don is saying that July.
Don't use the scammer voice for me, brother.
Pretti Don, you see in July, I'ma have a yo, Pretti Don. Right now, no Pretti Don. Between me and you, right now, me I look at club, you know. Right now, me not lady I go in a business. Me I look at club right now.
No one here.
Yeah, dog. Me I look at club right now, Pretti Don.
You feel happy party.
In a liquor license now. You see me?
Yes. Congratulations. I like that.
Yeah, dog.
I like that. up.
Yeah, dog.
Yes, I.
Yeah, man, I look at club right now. Yeah. You got a name Club X.
X gang.
Club X. Not the gang. I'm not gonna put the gang on it. You know?